Pisces season is here. And if you run a spiritual business or you're an entrepreneur, this is an energy that is shaping you more than you realize. Pisces is the last sign of the zodiac, a time of deep reflection, vision work, and intuitive downloads. It's a season that asks us to dream bigger, feel deeper, and trust the unseen. But here's the challenge. Pisces energy can be fluid, overwhelming, and sometimes chaotic. If you're feeling scatterbrained, creative flooded, or emotionally drained, you're not alone. Today, we're going to break down how Pisces season directly impacts your business, creativity, and the ability to attract abundance while staying grounded and focused. Let's start this one with the biggest struggles during this time, the dreamer's trap. Pisces is ruled by Neptune and the planet of dreams, intuition, and limitless possibilities. That means your ideas and creativity are going to be on fire. You might wake up with $1 million download, feel inspired to start a new project, course, or offer, or suddenly rebrand your entire business overnight. Sounds exciting, right? The problem is Pisces energy isn't about execution, it's about vision. Many entrepreneurs get stuck in the loop of planning, daydreaming, and consuming inspiration, but never actually take action. So, what's the solution? Ground your ideas. Keep a Pisces season journal while you write every intuitive hit, download, or inspired thought, but instead of launching everything at once, review your ideas at the end of the season and ask yourself, what aligns with my long-term goals? What is realistic to execute in Aries season? What can I let go of for now? This prevents burnout and helps you to capture inspiration without drowning in it. Now, let's talk about the magnetism of Pisces season and how it can help us attract success effortlessly. So, Pisces energy is magnetic. And if you know how to work with it, you can effortlessly attract clients, money, and aligned opportunities. But the key here is emotional connection. People don't just buy products or services, they buy a feeling. Pisces season opens the heart, makes people crave deeper meaning, and amplifies storytelling. This is why authenticity, vulnerability, and emotional branding are your biggest assets right now. If you run a spiritual business, this is a perfect time to share your story, why you started, what drives you, and deeper meanings behind your work. Use videos and visuals. Pisces rules imagination, so aesthetics, dreamy, and emotional visions will resonate deeply. Sell through feeling, not just logic. Your audience wants to be inspired, healed, or transformed. Tap into that emotion. Uh, this is also a powerful time for manifestation. Pisces energy enhances visualization, scripting, and intuitive decision making. If you've been holding back from raising your prices, launching that offer, or making a bold move, trust your intuition. But Pisces season can also bring emotional overwhelm and energetic exhaustion. Let's talk about how to stay grounded and clear headed during the deep transformational time. With all this intuition, creativity, and energy flow, it's easy to lose focus, feel drained, or even experience burnout. That's because Pisces season dissolves boundaries. It blurs the lines between work and rest, dreams and reality, inspiration and exhaustion. To stay grounded and controlled, try these things. Water rituals. Take spiritual baths, work with the element of water, or even just drink more water to stay hydrated and clear headed. Daily structure. Create a flexible schedule. Pisces energy hates rigid, um, but there's thrives general discipline. So thrives with gentle discipline. Deep rest and dream work. Your dreams will be powerful. Keep a journal of by your bed and pay attention to the signs. Earth energy. Ground yourself through walking through nature or even holding a crystal like black tourmaline to stay rooted and grounded. Pisces season is not about pushing harder, it's about flowing smarter. If you can balance vision and strategy, inspiration and execution, intuition and practicality, you'll come out of this season with clarity, alignment, and a powerful foundation for the fire of Aries season. So tell me in the comments, how are you feeling this Pisces season? Inspired, scattered, ready to manifest? Let's talk about it.